It feels so soft. I'm washing myself. No luck. I'm gonna make a biggest one like I cut my tree. Squishy, squishy. Wash my hand, do. Wash my hand, do. Oh, they're more sticky. I have to take them off. Huh? Squishy glue. It's super big. It's slippery. Yeah. I'm making the biggest one in the world. You see? A biggest one. It feels like a soft couch. It says a soft couch. And I'm getting it. I'm eating it. Nom. I'm squeezing it, putting it on my hand and putting ketchup and eating it. No. And putting it on more. And this enough. This is a big mess in the world. And put it on my hand and put some ketchup. Don't spill it. And some more ketchup. And some more. Allah. I'm making the biggest ketchup. It's getting thick. Look, Mama. Ew. A spider web. I have a spider web. You didn't know I have that? I look like a spider. I'm a spider. It's going around. It's coming up. I supposed to pick it up. What this means? Color. What color shall we choose? Aha! Got it. Red. I need my dad to help me put this on the table because it's really heavy and sticky and big. Dad, I need help with this slime. I'm making more space. Something is behind me. Slimy. Where's the color where? Now let's add some wet. It's a happy face. Ooh, there's a lot of work. It's purple. You didn't know mixing color makes purple? And it's so slimy. Ouch. Ouch. me do it again. I did a bigger one. So I have to pop it and pop it and pop it.
Ooh.
You didn't know I made it big? You want me to show you again? It just popped. Whoa, it's super big. It was super big. I should probably make it again. Let me do it. Ah! Blow it for me. I'm stuck in a slime trap. Somebody help me! I hope you love making slime with me. See you next time. I love playing Dada. This big slime. Just pop.